doubly married. Sour. I actually like this one better. Grape or blackcurrant? Purple one wins. What's that song? How many licks does it take to something to the center of a what? Lil Kim? Something like that. I'm not a singer. Next. Oh my goodness. These are little tiny biscuits with piped sugar on top. It's almost like a hard meringue, right? And look at how cute these are. I only like the pink ones. Whoop. That didn't happen. I only like the pink ones and the yellow ones. Well, they all taste the same, but these are like very simple childhood memories. I'm sure it's not Jamie Oliver approved. Let me just, can I do this? What? Ini namanya apa ya?
This